Would you believe that this manicure cost me only $5? If you'd like to know how I did it, stick around. First of all, let's grab all of the stuff we need from Dollar Tree. You'll need a black polish, a white polish, a clear coat, a top coat, toothpick, and a brush. After prepping your nails, you want to paint them with the black polish. This black polish is actually pretty decent. I would consider it a one-coater black. I still use 2 coats just to be safe, but you can feel free just to use one. Add a clear, regular coat on top of the black. It adds a shine that it doesn't actually have in the regular polish. Then you can add the top coat, and this will make the black look as shiny as any regular high-quality polish. Next, let's add some accent nails. I'm not gonna lie to you, this white polish is not it. That's okay, just add as many layers as you need, and then add a clear coat to make it look better. For the first design, I used a toothpick and the black polish. I took the toothpick and dotted out some lines and then connected them to make a spider web. I followed that with a clear coat, and then I topped that off with a quick dry top coat. The next design, it is supposed to be a spider, but it just doesn't look like a spider, but we're just gonna deal with it. You wanna take the paintbrush that you bought, cut it down to a smaller size that makes it more manageable. Then you can use the black polish, paint the body of the spider, and then draw on the 8 legs. Do the same steps you did before with the clear coat and the top coat, and then you're done. And honestly, this looks pretty legit. I'm not sure of the longevity, especially since there wasn't a base coat, but if this is what you can afford at the time budget-wise, this looks really good, and you don't have to break the bank doing it. Well, look who made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. If you like what you saw, subscribe, and definitely leave a comment on other designs you'd like me to try out. And with that, I'm out of here. Bye!